Furong, a delegate to the upcoming 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China, is the head nurse of the intensive care unit at Hounan Provincial People's Hospital. She has devoted herself to nursing and helped to save many lives. She worked on the front line in the fight against COVID-19. In February 2020, she was among the first batch of medical workers sent to Wubei, a province first hit hard by COVID-19.
去黄冈的时候是危重症病人特别多的时候，我们很多人都是党员，所以那个时候我就觉得真正理解了党员就是在危险的时候冲在最前线的那个人。
During her 42 days in Huanggang, she, together with her colleagues, treated 49 critical ill patients and worked until the city reported no new cases. In May 2020, 1 month after she came back from Huanggang, she set out for Africa with other medics to support the continent's anti-pandemic battle.
我觉得我们也是去给他们带去看医生里的信心，让他们知道中国一个这么大的国家，这么多人口的一个国家，我们都能够在这么短的时间内来战胜这个疫情。
Working as an ICU nurse for over 13 years, she has not only been recognized by patients, but also won respect from her colleagues.
有脏活累活，她都是抢着干，会在我们的前面干。给我的印象就是一个，在学术上是精益求精的，然后对待同事是一颗真心的。
我们护士长在平时的工作中对病人特别有爱心、耐心、有责任心，特别的有奉献精神。